Today we're going to start with foam rolling the quads. To do so, you're going to lay the foam roller horizontal on the ground and lie over it as if you're in a plank position. Start the foam roller mid-thigh, and then you're going to keep the core engaged and roll towards the knees and then back up towards the hip. You'll repeat this 10 times, and then you're going to turn your toes in towards each other and do another 10 reps, and then out away from each other and do an additional 10 reps. While doing this, you want to make sure that you're staying off of the kneecap and you're not experiencing any tingling or numbness.